What's the meaning of athlete? Athlete. Athlete.
Athlete. Athlete. An athlete is a person who engages in physical exercise or sports. Typically, an athlete is highly skilled and trained in a specific area of sport, such as running, swimming, basketball, or football. Athletes often compete at various levels, from amateur to professional, and may participate in individual or team sports. Being an athlete requires dedication, discipline, and strong physical ability, as well as mental toughness. Athletes are admired for their athletic prowess, and their achievements often inspire others to pursue their own athletic goals.